Alright, so I'm using the milling machine again. This one is a bit more advanced than the one I was using last time. Still not using the feed. Okay, so I'm on this part. I'm doing the little holes. See the holes. Boom, 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 boom. On this one. See, so I zeroed out this machine. That means to put this hole right there, I want to put my excess. Yeah, I want my x-axis on 0.88. Now, you see I'm going on 0.88. It's pretty damn close. Okay, so as we can see, this is hole 7. So we go over here, we look at 7, find the... Okay, and there's the drill size that we want for 7. I'm also supposed to do a little bit of math, but the speed from the last one is probably still alright. Okay, 2964. That's a pretty big bit. Booyah, baby! Might as well go ahead and get the last one too. Nah, I'll wait. Okay. Now, you gotta start with this, because the tip of this will not cut. So you have to start it with that bit. Okay, I'm gonna let you watch me do it. Do it to it. Alright. There's a break over here, and it tightens a bit. Okay. Alrighty. So now about my speed. I was wrong. Lube. Squirt plenty of lube. Come look at this fresh hole I made. Okay, dang, 7 minutes to make one hole. All the way through. See that? I was going a little too fast. Had to slow her down. Alright. So, on to the last hole. Take it easy, guys.